All right, page 8, notes on the first string. We're going to be starting on our first string, which is the high E string, the thinnest string on the guitar. Our first open string, or open note, will be E, the same note, and that's the reason we named the string that name. So the E string, open, is playing the note E. If we take our first finger and put it on the first fret, remember we're not going to put it on the actual metal fret, we're going to put it just behind and then press down with nice pressure. And that's the note F, the next letter in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. If you're not pressing hard enough, you're going to get a weird clunk sound. And that's what we want, so that means you need to press a little harder. And listen to the difference if you're on the fret too. You're going to get a weird feedback, so you want to be just behind. If you're all the way back here, you're also going to get that weird feedback. So be right here, just behind the fret. Remember when plucking, we're using the fat part of our thumb. If you're not using picks. Okay, so we have E and F. You can see where those are on the staff below the notes. And the next note we're going to learn is we're going to skip our second finger and go to our third finger on the third fret. And this note is going to be G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can put your second finger down too, but it's not necessary. And you'll notice that when I put my third finger down, I tend to leave my first finger here, because I know oftentimes I'm just going to lift it up and go back to first finger, instead of switching like this. That just creates more work for me. So exercise number 1, song 1, starts with playing all 3 of these notes in whole notes. Whole notes get 4 beats. So if I were to turn on my metronome here, and you could see it's clicking for me at 60 beats per minute, which is once per second, I can play along with that. And each note, a whole note, gets 4 beats, or 4 clicks. 1, 2, ready, go. E, hold down the first finger at the third, back down, and that's exercise number 1. You'll notice above you see these little bracket symbols, and it says this sign tells you to strike the string with a downward motion of the pick. And that means I'm going to be plucking down. If I had a pick, I could be going both down or back up. But for this exercise, every note is plucking down. Exercise number 2 is the same notes, but now we're playing each note twice in half notes. Half notes get 2 beats. So I'm actually going to be playing each note for the same amount of time, but I'm going to pluck it twice. And you'll see what I mean in a second here when I play it. Notice that in measure 4, if you count your measures, there is a different note where we're going to be playing G 3 times in a row throughout the song. So E, E, F, F, G, G, G again, then F, and then down to E for a whole note to end. Listen along or play along with me here. 1, 2, ready, go. Open E. Each note only gets 2 beats. G, F, E, 2, 3, 4. That's exercise number 2. Exercise number 3 is a slightly different, and we play each note as quarter notes. Quarter notes each get 1 beat. So each click of the metronome here is going to be a different strum. I'm going to play E 4 times, F 4 times, G twice, back to F twice, E twice, and then final half note E. 1, 2, ready, go. And those are all the exercises on the first page of the first string, page number 8. Now go on to learn the exercises on page 9. See if you can't learn Spanish theme, song number 8.